the basics inside. It's not like I got to say something wrong, but you the baddest. I know what they got at me. I got lipstick stamps on my passport, make it hard to believe. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk dirty. Talk dirty to me, yeah. Oh, talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Hey, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk dirty. Talk dirty to me. Oh, talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Now, sino mga sexy ngayong gabing to? Sino mga macho ngayong gabing to? Alam mo, parang ginaganahan ako. Pwede ba isa pa? O gusto, ulitin natin yung una. Tapos yung pangalawa ulit. 4 yun. Kaya ba? O, last na lang. Last na lang para sa inyo. Ginaganahan ako para sa inyo. Mga people eh. Okay. Sound engineer, papunta na dyan. Galing lang Makati. Hindi. Alam niyo po, kasi may lakad din po ako. Kakatapos ko lang po mag-taping ng Your Face Sounds Familiar Kids. At may lakad pa po ako ngayon. Pero, tingin nyo naman, parang mahal na mahal nyo kami dito. So, huwag kayong mag-alala, nandito ang hashtags. Si Ronnie, nandito. Kayo naman, di pa ako tapos, sabi ko Ronnie Liang. Kaya kayo, kala nyo, nandyan eh. Hindi, nandyan siya.